Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This time I'm going to show you guys how to create an NFT website that you can buy and sell NFTs. So I'm going to show you how the website looks like. So this is how the website is going to look like. You can see this is how the website is going to look like. You can see NFT collection and the rest. So basically that's how the website is going to look like. So I'm going to just log in so you see how the interface looks like. Then we proceed in designing this particular website. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel because it will encourage me to do more videos. So I don't forget, please don't forget to like, share. It's very very important. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. You see so these are the website looks like. You can see once you log in, so you can add more NFT if you feel like adding more NFT. As much as you want to add, you can add to this. So that's that for that. So let me show you how this is being done. So first, in case you want to subscribe to this channel, just log in, just type at builder, then you go to subscribe and click the subscribe button. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, it's very important. So the next thing for us to do now is for us to just click. Now I'm going to be, in order for you to create this website, you need to get a domain and hosting, right? So basically now I've gotten my domain and my hosting. Now a particular username and password is going to be sent to you in your email that you use in creating domain buying. When buying the domain and hosting, you use a particular email to get domain and hosting. So once you've got your domain and hosting, a particular username and password is going to be sent to your domain and hosting consign for the domain and hosting you paid for. So now that username you're going to put it here, right? So I bought this domain and hosting, so I'm going to put the username here. So once you've done log into your cPanel, you're going to upload the particular file. Now that file is the particular file that has been designed. That file is just basically the file is the website itself. So all codes are embedded in the file. So I'm going to upload the file so you see how it looks like. So click on this. Then I'm going to create another folder. So because we're doing a fresh, right? So a folder, I'll call it right. I call it NFTs, right? So now I'm going to click here the folder, but you when doing yours, there's no point creating any folder because you already have once you click on the public underscore html, you upload the file I'm going to upload now to that folder. Just upload to your public underscore html folder. But I'm creating this because if I have a lot of files in this particular domain, so I have to create another folder for it to upload it. So once I'm done creating it, I want to upload the file. So I click on select. Now since I already have the file inside that particular domain, so there's no point uploading it again. But I just want to show you, once you want to upload, you just click for the file. So this is the file. Click on it, then click on upload. Now to start uploading, wait for this stuff to reach this ending and show green button, green, display green before you exit. But I already have the file, so there's no point doing that, waiting for this thing to upload. So I'm just going to exit, but you wait for it to do that, then you click go back. Then the procedure I'm taking now, there's no point taking this procedure because of you just upload yours and extract the file here. So I'm going to go back here, click on home, then I'll click on publish connected HTML. Then I'll go to my NN, this particular folder, this is particular script, right? I'm just going to select every single folder here, right click, and I'm going to copy, right? I'm going to move it to NFT folder. I'll copy it to the NFT folder. That's what I'm doing right now, right? So once I'm done copying this particular thing to NFT folder, but you should not copy to NFT folder. You will not be having NFT folder. You only have public underscore HTML. Once you upload, you extract the file. The file you get, once you extract the file, you're going to see this, all this. You're going to see all this there, right? So now you can see all this, right? So the next thing for me to do now is for me to create a database, right? So I'll go back to my file manager and I'll go to my SQL database wizard. I'll create a database called please subscribe. That's the name of the database, right? I'll click on next and I'll still put the same thing to make things to avoid errors. So I'll copy everything here and use it as my password to just avoid errors. So I'll click on this to create the database, right? I'll click on all privileges and I'll click on make changes, right? So then I'll click on this, right? So we're done with that already. We've created a database already. So the next thing for us to now is for us to upload our database to our PHP my to upload a file to our database. So once you click on PHP my admin, it's going to take you to a database. So this database we created just now, but there's nothing in that database, right? So if I'm going to give a file, this particular file with this NFT marketplace file. I'm going to give you this file. Like once you copy this file, once you extract this file, you're going to see, okay, you're going to see this folder SQL. Then you see this folder here, right? You click on this thing, you download it. After extracting your that particular stuff with just um that particular the file given to you after extracting, you look for SQL. You look for this SQL here. You click on it. Then you see this file. You download this file. Then you go back to your PHP and then you click on this your database you just created. Click on import to database. Then click on choose. Then select the file we just downloaded now. Right, this is the file we just downloaded now. Then we'll click on go. Just give some few minutes for it to upload. Once it's done uploading, we're going to come back to this place. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Also, if you're going to be needing this particular file, you check the description link below. You're going to see a link. You can just DM me. So aside that, just okay, we're done uploading the file. You can see, right? We don't upload the file, right? So the next thing for us to do now is for us to go back to our folder. Go back here. We're going to go back to our folder. Go back to this folder here. Click on this. Remember, yes, you're going to extract your file here. That you're going to you extract the file here. But um, I put my in this folder called NFT folder, right? So I'm going to look for a config file. Then you can see database and config file. So let us click on database. So right, so you can see localhost. Then you see the username. We change the username of to this. Remember when we were creating our database, we gave it a particular username, right? So click to change this also. Then change this to this also. Then we're going to save. So we are done. Right, so let's check how the website is going to look like first before we proceed to any other thing. So this is the website, right? This is the previous one we used when we were showing you initially. So I'm going to create another folder, open another folder and write NFT. Alright, that's the folder slash NFT, right? So you can see that we just designed this particular website. Now if you want to edit anything in this website, like the logo, the write-ups and every other thing, it's kind of very easy to do that. So if you want to do those kind of stuff now, basically you can just go back to your file. If you want to do any of those stuff I just mentioned now. So as I was saying, if you want to edit those particular stuff, you can just check. You can just the index file, edit this index file. You can change anything you feel like changing from the index file. So like the logo, you can change the logo by looking for the URL, logo URL, and changing it, uploading the right logo in logo folder. Aside that, the other things to do, for instance, now let me just look for that particular stuff I want to show you. Okay, explore NFTs. So you can just change this to sell. Let's change sell more. If you want to save, change sell more. Just click on save. So if you notice, I just added more to it, right? So let me just show you. Go back to the website and see if more has been added to it, right? So this is the website, right? So we just have to reload the website. You can see there's no more here, right? There's no more. But once we just click on this and reload it, let us see if more will be shown. Give few minutes, so you can see more has been added, right? You can see. So that's how you edit anything when it's from content. So aside that, let's log in. So for us to log in, we have to attend. We have to fix some stuff from database first. So for us to log into database, click here and write admin and click send. It's going to take you to the database of this particular website. So it's asking you to log in. Now what's the username? Now I will show you how to check your username also. If you want to check your username, if you want to check your username, let me just show you that. Basically, if you want to check your username, you you go to your PHP file. You see admin, click on admin. Then you see username admin, password 1256. That's how you check your username. You understand? So aside that, let's go back to our login. We're trying to log into the admin, right? So we've put our password, put our admin, put everything already. So we are in already. You can see this is our dashboard, this is admin dashboard of the particular website. So next thing for us to now is for us to go to our setting, website setting. So we're able to set this a right way. So copy this, change this, and we can call this I just leave it as global NFTs, right? So we need an email also. We need to change our email, and also you can change the team address and everything here. So basically, I want to change this email now. What am I supposed to do? Now I'm going to go back to my file manager. Then, okay, click here to go back to your file manager. Then I'm going to create a new email for this, or copy any of the previous email I have already. So basically, if I want to create an email, I have too many email here. I think I've reached my limit already, 5 years. So I'm going to, if you want to create a new email, just click on create and follow the process. Kind of very easy to do that. So aside that, let me just copy any of this email here. I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to be using that for that particular stuff for the setup. So I'm going to put it here. So we don't put in the already. So next first is just to save. So you put your HTML address if you want to use it, if you want to put your, if you want to use the website. You put your HTML address down there. So we're done. We saved that successfully, right? So now let's go ahead and create an account. So I'm going back to the website. This is not the website because there's NN here. This is another folder. This is the initial folder we used. So let's go back to the website. Okay, so this is the website. I think this is the website here, but we just need to go to the front end and click enter. Then we see how it's going to look like. So this is the website, right? Let's wait for it to load. But while waiting for it to load, let's check my Gmail account, and see. Well, you can just remove this more because I just showed you this as a sample. You know, you can actually edit it from Reddit, right? So we're done setting up everything. So I'm just going to okay. So we want to log in, right? So first of all, I need to register, right? We don't have an account with this, so we have to register first in order for us to log in. So in order for you to go register, let me just register quickly. So it's going to send email if confirmation code to our email. So that's why I was opening my email initially to just make sure it's opened. So we are going to check. Okay, you can see a new email just pop up here, right? Right. So click on this. You can see dear subscriber X2. Remember this is the name I use when creating. So this is my confirmation code, right? I'm going to copy the confirmation code here, right? Then I confirm. She's going to take me to the dashboard of my account. So this is dashboard of my account, right? This dashboard of my account, you can see, right? This dashboard of my account, right? You can see it is showing this NFTs, right? Different from the other one, previous one, right? So now I'm going to show you how to remove these particular ones and put a new one to it, right? So in order for us to do that, first of all, we're going to just create one. So go to the admin dashboard, back to the admin dashboard of this. So this is the admin dashboard of this, right? So this is admin dashboard, right? So we want to create a new NFT, right? So I'm going to pick an image. So I'll call it this. I'll just call it Lakers. Put any description I feel like putting. Price, I'm going to put 2.4. Category, I'll put champion. Owner, I'll put Lakers. Bid, I'll put 3. I'll put on and create the NFT, right? So I'm done creating the NFT successfully, right? You can create as much as you want to create. So let me go back to the website and reload. Right, this is the website, right? So we can see we can't find it here, right? So let me just reload and see. So you can see it has appeared here, right? You can see. So now let's go back to admin, right? As this, go back to this, then go to this is Okay. Okay, so we go to NFTs here, right? So we're going to delete every NFTs, all of the NFTs here, right? Aside for the Lakers. So we're done deleting most aside for the Lakers, right? Right. So let's go back to the website. So this is the website now. That's the initial one, right? You can see we refresh now. You can see you can't find any of them any longer. We can only find one. So at this one, you can add as much as you want to add to it. We can also make deposit to this. Let me make deposit to this. So so once I'm done making deposit, I'm going to show what is okay. I'm going to make a deposit of 200 as gas fee. I don't want to make it to my Ethereum wallet. I want to make it as gas fee. You can make it to Ethereum wallet or gas fee, any of them. This then you copy this, you make deposit. Once you're done making deposit, you click on this, choose the particular file, a screenshot of the deposit you just made. Then let me just wait. I'll click this as a particular file. Then I click on this. I'm just using that as a sample though. So you submit. Now we've successfully make a deposit of 200, right? So go back to our dashboard, right? So these are dashboard, right? So go back to now NFT list, um, front, right? Pending deposits, right? Go to the pending deposits. Then we can see a deposit of 200 Ethereum, right? For as gas fee. You can see the picture of this. So which you'll be seeing the real picture of the payment. So click on this particular place here, right? And click on approve. Once you approve a particular payment, it's going to leave this place, right? So click on it. So I don't think we'll find here any longer, right? So next thing for us to now is go back to our website, then go back to explore, right? So we see our balance. Our balance is 200 gas fee. So we can also do the same by adding more funds to our Ethereum wallet itself, which is our Ethereum, by clicking on this place to pick Ethereum, Ether, and clicking and putting any amount of Ether, then clicking choosing the particular one. I'm just trying to rush deep through because we're repeating the same functions we just did just now. Click on this the image again, then click and submit. Then you done for that again. You go back to the admin dashboard, you accept the payment by just clicking on to see initial deposits. Listen to, you can see of 1000, right? Ether, you click on this particular part here, right? You can accept, approve the payment. Then once you're done approving the payment, then it's going to reflect in the user end, right? So you can see this is just showing. Then I'm going back to explore again to see my payment of $1000, right? 1000 Ether, right? 10,000 Ether. You can see it's displaying here. So you can actually pay or bid for any Ether or buy if you want to buy. If you want to buy, you just click on the Ether. Just click on it. Then it's going to show like this. You put it costs 2.4, right? You just put the amount as 2.4 and place a bid, right? This is the description I put. Remember, bid place successfully, right? So it's going to change. Subscribe. That's the name of the user. That's my name. My amount has been reduced. And if I go back to explore, it will show down here 4 bid. It initially was showing 1 bid, now it's showing 4 bid. So, and that is that about that. About that, basically, you can do more if you just spend more time with it. So, thanks for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Stay tuned. So, if you have any question, you can just give me write the question at the comment section below. Thank you.